Hello everyone, it's Frank again with a new ATV video. In today's video, we will be removing the wiring for the light bar and the light whip on the Canam and replacing it with all new wiring, all new switches, and a fuse block. Ever since I bought this ATV, the lighting on it has been kinda iffy. It already came with the light bar installed and it had extra wiring that went to the back of the ATV, I'm assuming for a light whip, but it didn't bring the light whip itself. It had a relay that didn't work and a switch that worked a little bit less. So one of the first things I did when I bought this ATV was switch out that relay and switch out that faulty switch, and I installed the light whip. However, as with most electronics, that started working a little bit worse after I dipped it in water a couple times. And that is why I decided to fully redo the wiring. Thicker gauge wire all around, since this time I'm opting to not put a relay on it. I decided on a fuse block just because it would be easier to wire than the inline fuses, and it would make it a little bit more waterproof. 2 switches instead of 1, that way I can independently turn on the light bar and the light whip. And most importantly, I was going to cut the wire to the actual correct length, that way I don't have this weird rat's nest that I have at the beginning of this video bundled under my plastic. There's a lot to take in this video, so I'll let you guys enjoy it and I'll catch up with you at the end. As you saw, the install went pretty smooth. Time consuming, but easy in general. It works pretty well, but the real test will be when it goes underwater for the first time. But as of right now, everything's working perfectly. As always, if you enjoy this kind of content, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave me a comment below. Thanks for watching.